So this program is called ContextUI. It's a vibe coding platform that runs entirely on your own PC, and it's completely free. It comes with over 30 example workflows out of the box. It's built so anyone can use it. It works with whatever coding agent you like, whether that's Claude Code, Gravity, or Codex. And here's the important part. All these examples are open source. You can use them as context, to add features, modify existing workflows, or combine the ideas into something totally new. Whether you're a developer or just a normal person who likes powerful free software, you'll probably find this useful. Let me show you how it actually works. So there's two main windows you need to be aware of. One, this is the workflow manager. This is where you launch all your workflows from. If the images are too distracting, you can switch to the tree view, which is just basically a folder view. And you can click here and you can launch and get all the same commands. You need to see what the workflow is about before you actually launch it. There's a short description that comes up when you hover over the information icon. The second major window you need to be worried about is the Python manager. Half the workflows in the list require Python backends. Python doesn't actually get shipped with the program. You'll either use your system Python, which I'm running 3.13, or you can use one of the pre-existing ones, different versions. Different backends require different versions for various different reasons. Then you'll need to create a virtual environment. Here you can manage different virtual environments, and each workflow will allow you to pick the virtual environment before running it. There is two other built-in windows. There's the Exchange, where this is pulls directly from our website, where I can just upload different workflows that aren't part of the examples. And you can see a bunch here that you could download for free directly. The last inbuilt workflow is the tool manager. This is more advanced. This allows you to set up MPC tools, allows Claude Code or local agents to directly connect to your workflows and use them for you. So essentially you can walk away while I build something. Now, you don't need to have a Python backend at all to run some of these workflows. Here, if we click on the periodic table workflow, this is just a nice little interactive periodic table. You can click through, look at the elements, find some fun facts about them, switch between different physics models, open it up. It's a nice little learning workflow. Other ones without Python backends include word processor, simple word processor clone, spreadsheets. Don't think you can do graphs yet, but haven't put that feature in, but works for most things. Simply presentations. I'm going to create some slides. PDF editor. I use this one all the time. It's really hard to find a good, just a basic PDF editor. Don't have to pay for. Other ones include this solar system one. Nice little interactive solar system. Click through. It's nothing fancy, but just shows you can be done. Now, some of these workflows are just context for the LLM, so not really designed to be used by people. It's just a simple demonstration of how to join multiple files together in this dynamic program. You can still look at them, open them up and view them. This one just shows you different styles and color palettes and the rest of that. There's one down here for themes as well. Depending on what you're looking for, it's fully customizable. And this is only one way of doing it. You can, the LLMs know how to do pretty much anything you want. Now let's have a go at trying one of the Python backends. All right, let's try one of these. Just launch the stable diffusion workflow. It has a couple different image generations you can pick from. Here, you can select your virtual environment. It'll actually tell you if you have all the dependencies in there. If not, then you can just press install. I'm pretty sure one of these won't have a few of these. Yeah, diffusers. So I can press this button and it'll install the missing ones. I'll switch back to blue. Start server. It'll take a few seconds. Here you can see how much VRAM I'm using. It's running. And if you're having any problems with the Python backends, you can switch over to the Python manager and see what servers are running. So XDXL is running on this port. If you want to stop it or you have any issues, you can just press stop here or here in the actual workflow. All right, let's select the model. This one looks good. Just load it. This might take 30 seconds or so. That was pretty quick. All right, let's just hit the Cyberpunk one. We'll generate, I don't know, 2 images. Press generate. Here you can, I think there's logs built into most of these. You can have a look. Or if you don't care, close it. And we can, there's always the Python manager log as well. You can keep track of things if one particular workflow doesn't have a log. Oh, there we go. It's our first image. Where that's more synthwave. Here you can keep track of the VRAM usage as well. Actually, I just realized that's not correct because it's reading 0 now. There we go, our 2 different images. That's pretty good. Now just to stop it, you can just unload the model and switch models if you like. Or you can just close the window and stop the Python server over here. Or I usually just click stop and close it off. Let's refresh, it's cleaned up. Happy days. All right, let's try another one. Let's try the Cocoa one. If you didn't know that TTS means text-to-speech. So here you'll have the same setup. Usually these vens are, the last ven you selected will be remembered in most of the workflows anyway. So I've picked green last time, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that one. I know this one is set up for it. A few seconds. All right, there's only one model to load. Cocoa is quite small. It is definitely the best TTS model in the open source community at the moment. There we go, that loaded. Yeah, we can just do this.
Hello, this is a test of the Kokoro text-to-speech system.
That's nice. What, there's like maybe 10 different voices or so?
Hello, this is a test of the Kokoro text-to-speech system.
Hello, this is a test of the Kokoro text-to-speech system.
You can use any voice that you want. Now, while I can just type in here and I'll read whatever I want to read out, that's not really the point of this workflow. The point of this workflow is to basically mix and match with the other workflows. So you'll ask one of your agents to go, okay, I want to build a local language model that has a voice, and maybe you can speak to it in real time. We actually have a workflow for that, which is just down here. It's called the Voice Agent AI one. It's got a bit of a different art style here, but it actually uses 3 models. One, this Cocoa one, plus a speech-to-text system and a normal LLM. Loads up all 3 models, and then you can just talk to it in real time. This particular one is just designed for, say you wanted to create a custom workflow. It just pulls the context for this. It knows how to do it, what the architecture is, and then you can just mix and match with whatever you want to do. Well, let's just stop that. We'll close it off. All right, let's just do one more. We'll just do this voice agent workflow just before I close off this video. All right, same deal. Start our Python server. We can see we have all our dependencies installed. And so this one has 3 different models that we need to load. So a speech-to-text, a text-to-speech, and our normal little LLM. I like the deeper networks with a lower quantization. You just press load all models. It might take a few seconds to load. Yeah, hopefully the VRAM thing is working. Yeah, you can see the VRAM go up as the models load. So I should easily be able to fit this on my 24 gig card. All right, so that's all loading. Here we have different tabs. So I'm pretty sure I can just press my space bar. Hey, how's it going?
Everything's going well, thanks for asking. How about you? Is there anything specific you'd like to talk about or learn about today? I'm here to help. Smile. To highlight a chemical element, remember to ask about a specific element symbol, and I'll include THETAG at the end of the response. Would you like to know more about any elements or anything else?
I completely forgot. This one has an option. Yeah, here we go. In the prompts, so you can switch between different prompts, general assistant, coding helper, creative writer. This one allows it to interact with the periodic table workflow and just control it through like an event bus system. I really should switch that to the MPC server tooling. But we may as well demonstrate this while we're here. All right, so I'm pretty sure I can just go. Sure, can you tell me about carbon?
Carbon is element 6 and is absolutely essential to life on Earth. It's the building block of organic compounds and is found in everything from diamonds to the molecules that make up your body.
So you can actually select the element and it just tells you something about it. Try one more. Tell me about gold. Actually, I accidentally just pressed that. Tell me about gold.
Gold,
Okay.
element 79, is a valuable and highly sought-after precious metal. It's known for its distinctive yellow color and its resistance to corrosion and tarnish. Gold is used extensively in jewelry, electronics, and even as a financial investment due to its stable value. It's also used in medical applications and space technology for its unique properties.
All right, well, I'm just going to finish this off now. You can download ContextUI from the website. It'll be in the description of the video. It's completely free. And look at the exchange if you want to see some other workflows or see other things you can do with it. All right, thanks, guys.